also shared this information, and it was also observed in some of the areas in content. People also observed that this was quite a dry year, and in some areas, local people also witnessed that this is the lowest they have observed maybe 30 to 40 years. But overall, if we look into the snow situation and like the regional scale, our gateway scale, our river basin scale, we found this is the second lowest. And this is the winter situation, this is not annual. So we observe this in the winter so that we share this information before the rainy season starts, where snow is more important for downstream water. And in long term, we also observed in one of the report that we published last year for about 70 years, the snow in the past, like since 1950s, there's a decrease in snow cover by 5 snow cover days per decade, and also snow line elevation is going up. So we have now, because of the temperature increase in the lower elevation, there is more rainfall than snowfall, and also the snow cover in winter and in like spring season is declining. So these changes are affecting like water availability and also affecting the people living in these mountains. So in case of the impacts, some of those are already shared in the previous slides, but if we talk about the major impact of the snow is especially more important in the areas where there is more contribution from snow. For example, the basin like Helmand, Amudarya, and Indus, where there is like more than 70% contribution from snow, or more than 40% in case of Indus. So in case of the temperature increase and climate change, what will be the effect on water availability? So it's quite complex. As some of the example I have already showed, even in the last 3 years, there are 3 extremes. 1 year there was more snow, other 2 years were quite dry. So the impact is quite complex. It's not that there will be a decrease in water. There might be an increase as well. And in terms of pressure, there will be an increase first and then decrease. But in case of snow, there might be some extremes, so which might also cause some floods or droughts. So the situation is due to changing climate is quite complex. And also we need to properly manage these in case like temperature increase. There might be an early melt. In spring, there might be more meltwater available when we don't need it. So for that, we need proper water management so that we have more water available for the rest seasons. So that's it. I just keep it short so that we have more time for the other presentations and also for tea and coffee. If you have any questions.
Yeah, any query?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Have you looked at any satellite images to see how much snow there is at Ponca now? Have you looked at any recent satellite images to see if there's any snow at Ponca now?
Now, I have to check, but I was looking into the station's data that in the Upper Mustang and Nantang Valley, so it's quite dry.
Okay.
So far, it's like in the past almost 2 weeks, there is no snow. And in the western, it's quite dry for quite some time.
Okay.
So I think maybe in Ponca also same situation.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we are already doing this for tea. So now let's have a tea for 15 minutes and we will begin our session at 11. So tea and cookies are served there. So please.